Hey everyone, in this video I will make a review over the Bro pack, which is brought to you by BroVFX, which is including a lot of visual effects, transitions, titles and sound effects. In order to apply, you just have to drag and drop them over your footage and voila. So in this video I'm gonna walk you how you can install them, how you can apply transitions, video effects, titles, sound effects and all about the licensing and all are the things about the Ultimate Davinci Result pack from BroVFX. So grab a cup of coffee and let's see what you can find in BroVFX Ultimate Davinci pack. I'm starting out by going into their website, which is brovfx.com, and in products you can find all of their packages, including 2 of their packs completely for free, which you can try out. All of them are available for Windows as well as Mac, and the licensing, it's unlimited use also for commercials. After receiving the zip files, you can right click and extract it onto your folder. Then you can double click to open. In my case, I'm having the Bro pack right here and I'm reading the note that is inside of it. In here you will find the valuable information about how you can install it as well for Windows and Mac. It is pretty straightforward, you just have to double click the DRFX file and click on install. It's not much different for Mac, so in this case I will show you how it is on Windows. Just double click on the file as I said and then click on here install. And this will take you no more than a few seconds. This pack is also including some titles, so as every title effects, you will need to be having the responsive title installed. So make sure you visit the fonts, highlight them, right click and then click on install. Make sure to do that with every font that you're having in order to have a full access of the title effects in the Bro pack. Now I am inside in effects library and titles, and as you can see by the icon next to the effects, this is the titles that is brought to you by BroVFX. You can hover with your mouse over them in order to preview the effect. If you see this message right here, that means that the font is not installed and you need to install it. So if you want to use something, you just have to drag and drop it over your timeline and then play it through. Also you can highlight it and customize it by the text of your liking in the inspector. Also in here you can see that you're having a different sections of title effects, which you can categorize and easily find what is best fitting your project. One of the things that I like about this title pack is this section right here with the karaoke title, which you can drag and drop over your timeline. As you can see, when I play it through, the text is highlighting as the time goes by. So as the video progresses, the text is going to be highlighted one by one. Also, I'm scrolling down and I'm previewing the other ones, which are looking more like cinematic. And there are also a few ones that you can combine, stack of each other and play it through. So you can see that now these 3 elements are playing together in order to recreate some text effect. And there are really hundreds of title effects, but I cannot go each of them individually, so I'm moving on with video transitions. You can find that obviously in video transitions. And the first section is camera move, and as you can tell, most of them are including camera movements from left to right, up or down and such on. You can just drag and drop it between your clips just like this, adjust the duration and play it through. Very easy to use. Here we're having some dissolve transitions. Again, you can preview it by hovering with the mouse over it. You don't need to drag and drop everything in order to preview it. Let's see this one. I'm playing it through. Nice and smooth dissolve with a spin on it. Of course, everything in here you can highlight and go in the inspector and change some of the settings in case the default settings are not in match with your desires. Here you can also witness some distortion transitions, which are just 5 in our case, but they're really effective. I'm adding lens displays target, and what I like about this one is that it's ending in target, and that means that if we highlight this transition as we just did, we're gonna play it through, we're gonna notice that this transition is having some motion and that motion is happening in the target, and we can access the target from the inspector. You can see the target here in the middle, so now everything is happening in the middle, and you can actually maneuver with this one and change the XY position, and as you can see the target is moving, and now we can set up the target on the places that we want. In our case, our character is a little bit on the right, so we're leaving it there, just over it, and now when I play it through, the transition is gonna happen right over it. So now let's preview it. And as you might notice, the target is in the center of our transition. Next up, we're having also some fade transitions, which is also really handy. Some film grunt noise, also a huge library of them. and also a ton of glitch transitions that are really popular type of transitions. I'm going to preview again just a few of them so you can have an example of what they're looking like. Next up is Glow Blur, which is also one of my favorite ones. I found that this is a really smooth ones as well as the dissolve ones, and playing it through, this is just one of them. Nice noise bright twist, and as I said, everything is customizable, so feel free to change it. There is also a few lens moves, some liquid ones, which this one is also including a target addition. Also you can change the shape of that target. In our case we're changing it from circular to radial, which is the last one. I'm going in the middle of the transition and I can see the target is radial. As I said, this is also having a target option, so you can move this target, making it blend better with your footage. There is also some move transitions, which are including wipes and strips. Next up is a set of zoom transitions, a really popular ones, which is always good to have in your library. Just drag and drop between your footages. This one is also having a target effect, which are the type of transitions that I like the most. And instead of looking them one by one, you can go in the search bar in the video transition and just type target. And in here you will find all the transitions that are having a target option available. And that was for the transitions. Now we're going into the effects. So I'm selecting the effects, I'm scrolling a tiny bit, and as I can see now the first one is Cyber Mix. Again, you can hover with your mouse over them to preview. I'm showing some of them, which is really amazing looking effects. And again, if you want to apply it, you just have to drag and drop it. Let's try out this one for example. I'm grabbing it not in between but over the clip, because this is effect, not a transition. And as I'm playing it through, I can see that the effect is applied and it's running really smooth. You can highlight the clip of course and go to effects and change and customize further the effect of your liking if it's not fitting your footage. Of course you can do that with any effect, not just this one. Let's remove it and add another one. This one is VHS effect. Also they're having two types of that. This is really needy and very used effect. Again, dragging and dropping over the footage and playing it through so you can see, and now we're having a VHS effect. You can customize further the colors, contrast, brightness and other things that you can do in the color tab, but this time you can do it in the edit one. Also they're having some glitches effect, which is approximately 11 effects, different type of glitches. You can highlight the clip and customize it as well in the inspector in the effect tab. So I'm reducing the lift by a tiny bit and increasing the saturation, playing it through, and it's running really good. No problems with the playback speed and everything. Next section is the set of films. I like this glow light, so let's grab it and leave it over first clip. I'm playing it through and now we're having a soft glow light. Also you will get this 2D flash effects pack, which when you extract you will find these 5 folders inside, which are including some video files. How can you use it? There's another instruction for that, but it's pretty straightforward. You just have to drag it and drop it into your Davinci from this folder and change the composite mode either for screen or add. So let's make an example now. Let's open this file folder. We'll find the video files here. So you have to grab, let's say for example this one. I'm previewing it. Let's say that I like this one. So I'm grabbing it and I'm leaving it in Davinci Resolve, and this one we're using it as overlay. As I play it through you can see that it's having black background. But when I highlight it and go to composite mode in the inspector and I select screen, so you scroll down, you find screen, you select it, and you can see that now we're having this overlay effect. You can either select add and it will have the same impact. So you can get this pack with 183 flash effects completely for free. I'm going in another folder, which is Fire Elements. I'm grabbing again this one, let's say for example, leaving it over my footage, highlighting it, going in composite mode right here and selecting add. I'm previewing what I have, and then you can further adjust it, selecting transform right here, and you can change the size and position of that overlay. And I know this is not the best example, but I hope you get the idea of how you can apply these to the effects. Also there are more than 200 free sound effects pack, which you can have these 5 folders inside, and also instruction note, which is pretty much the same as the ones that you see just now. You just have to open one of the folders, select the audio sound effect, drag it and drop it in Davinci Resolve under transition and play. So this was just one of the sound effects of glitches. You can highlight multiple of them and you can also drag and drop it inside and play to preview. And I really think this is an amazing pack from BroVFX, combining all of their packages at once in BroPack. You can use promo code MG30 for 30% off of your purchases. Thanks for staying until the end. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Make sure to check out their website. I will leave a link in the description, which is not affiliate. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.